Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. And if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. So, here we go. I want to remind you guys, Grandpa's giving live signals in Heikin ASHI candles for reverse engulfing to buy or sell. So, what I want to remind you is of the lag, potential lag. Know your lag. I have the uh, Zoom number up, and the um, meeting code is on the screen all the time now, uh, and it's up if you want to come in. Then you have virtually no lag if you can hear me live. Current price is 225.10. We went down to 224.95 so far. Last night they were up at 228.50. From about 2 in the morning till 4 in the morning. 228.50 pretty much topped it out. It might have popped up to 228.70 once for a little bit in the pre-market. It don't even show it on our screens at 4 o'clock. But yeah, we're within 45 cents. Grandpa said we should open at 224.50, but I mean that if I'm within 45 cents at the open, I'm happy. Usually right after the open, it'll almost always hit Grandpa's number uh, within seconds. A lot of times. So it's just fun. It's fun to pick the open. I only had 20 shares short up at 228.10, and I sold them out this morning and made a whopping 48 bucks, a little over 48 bucks, but 48 bucks is 48 bucks. So, hey, listen, if you guys are on your phone out there trying to trade live, um, I would urge you to um, make sure that say you get a phone call, and you leave the live stream, and then when you come back in, you're going to be not up to where I'm talking. You're going to be listening to the recording. So you if you go do something on your phone and come back, make sure you slide the bar over all the way so that you're listening live, and then double check your lag. Periodically, I'll put the time up, like I have the time up currently. So if you want to join Zoom right now and get live, go for it. Or you know, I'll try to watch it throughout the day and keep an eye on it to see if anybody's coming. Because once you come, what happens is when you dial the Zoom number and the meeting code, you come to Grandpa and you go in Grandpa's waiting room, and until Grandpa sees you there, I have to add you in. And then once I add you in, you don't mute it, I mute it, and so because I can't hear 10 people at once and talk about candles. Um, so anyway, if you want to check the lag, I'll put the time up here periodically for you. If I forget, remind me. Good morning, Jeff. Yeah, and Jeff, I think, went short on Grandpa's opening advice, so I believe that's why he did it. And he is in the green, so currently we're under a sell signal in the 1 minute and the 5 minute, and we're coming into the opening. Looks like Grandpa might just get it right here. We're down to 224.95 area. You're 20 seconds behind. That's the lag that Jeff has got right now. And, you know, it's up to you guys if you want to trade with a 20-second lag. If not, you're welcome to come to Zoom. So I know you got 20 shares short. You might want to think about selling them sometime here. Make sure you got your finger on the trigger there, because when we get to the open here in 15 minutes, that thing will go up and down $4 so fast your eyes will water, and I'm leaning towards a bounce up. But that's only Grandpa's opinion. We currently have a reversal signal in 1 minute where she's edging upward in the 1 minute. But we have a sell in the 5. We're looking for 230.50 area. If we can close above that, we're in pretty good shape as far as going long. 233 is massive. If we can break through and we know we have a sell signal in the 1 minute now and the 5 minute again. She's going to be wild here at the open. So where she's going, you know, I don't know. Be ready for misdirection also. You know, a lot of times they'll send us the wrong way for a few bucks and then reverse the right way. Right now there's some huge orders coming in at 224.90. 26,000 shares they're trying to buy at 224.90. They disappeared. I don't know if it was a spoof or if it was real, that one. I do not know. All I know is Grandpa figured it was going to open at 224.50, the gap down. Grandpa made a little bit of money on it. I'm all happy. Okay, Treasonous Trucker says, good morning, Grandpa. I'm ready for another great day trading. So let's check your lag, you guys. And it is Thursday the 12th. Grandpa's got the clock back up. Good thing DLA told me how to run that clock. That's huge. Yeah, we got a good group of people. Everybody's been doing fine, but be cautious. You always remember we're playing against a supercomputer here, and it's 100% designed to take your money. We're getting new lows. It's coming down 224.74, 224.71. And we got Jeff Short. He's hanging in there. Let me know when you get out of those shorts, Jeff. Would be nice. I like to, leave a message how much you made or whatever on him. He's only got 20 shares short, and that's all I had short. I took my $48 and jumped out of it, but I was in at 228.10 last night, and I did my last live stream. I said I thought we were going to open at 224.50, so that's what I think's going on there. And that don't always. Grandpa's not always right about that opening price. Sometimes I'm wrong. Sometimes twice in a row I'm wrong. So, okay, and let's see. Do we have any death crosses? I think we do. I think I can show you a death cross in the 1 minute. I will show you a death cross in the 1 minute. There it is, right there. Oh, no, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. It's there in pre-market. In the pre-market, we got a death cross in the 1 minute chart, and it's still running. It is still in effect, but that's only the 1 minute chart. The 5 minutes, but I've seen some $23 death crosses in the 1 minute and the 5 minute now so far. So, but that's not the game we play here. We're under a sell in the 1 and the 5. I think we're under a sell in the 15 also, and we are. We're under a sell in the 15-minute also, and we're under a sell in the 30-minute. And let's see here. We're under a sell in the hourly. This thing is going down. Wow. Okay, Jeff got out of his 20 shorts, picked up $45. That's absolutely excellent. Now you can play the game again. Yeah, the hourly is a sell. Also, we're selling virtually every. We're selling the 4 hour. Might wish we didn't sell our shorts, Jeff, me and you, but we'll see what happens here. I'm looking for a buying opportunity, really, but I just don't know how low she's going to go. Will she get down there to 222, 220? Or is she going to take us to try to get us to 216? Grandpa always jumps the gun. That's what Grandpa does. So, yeah, it's a shame we all sold early. Grandpa sold early yesterday. Poor Grandma, she would have made $250, and she ends up making $57. But she's happy. She's off to the Porkies right now, going to pick up, going with my daughter-in-law and all the kids, and they're going to the Porky Mountains for whatever outing they're doing with the kids. So that's what's going on there. So we already got a winner chicken dinner. Jeff has already made some money today, and Grandpa. So we're starting the day with two winners, and we ain't even hardly started. Okay, we're in jeopardy of getting a reversal in the 1 minute. Right now it's 7 minutes to the open. See, what's the time? 9:23, 30. Oh, it's not a buy signal yet. It's not a buy signal. Grandpa has to wait for these candles to mature. We're starting to move sideways in the 1 minute. What's going on? She's trying to turn green. She can't do it. She just couldn't do it. We're still under a sell in the 5, the 15, the 30, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour. We're under not a buy, a sell. We're under a sell we're under a sell in every chart we got, except for the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. And the dominant trend is up. Okay, I'm going to put my deal up for a little bit again. You can check your lag. Everybody, Jeff said he had 20-second lag. And we have a sell signal in every chart. 1, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour. We have a reversal buy signal in 1 minute, potentially. She's so sideways. Yep, we do. 100%. We have a buy signal in the 1 minute, but we have a sell in everything else except, the bigger time frames. And we don't trade those. Clutch Cargo, can you shift the zoom into the left so we can view candle action? I'll try. I don't know. I think it might be set there. My tech guy came over last night and gave this to me. Is that better, Clutch? Okay. Hat's happening. Hot a phone call. Oh, what's happening? Had a phone call. Make sure you get your lag back over to whatever, so that you're as good as possible. Okay, here's the clock again. We're under a buy signal in the 1 minute. However, we're still under a sell in the 5, the 15, and the 30. Is that okay? So Clutch is happy with that. Now I moved it over to the left. Thank you, Clutch. That Clutch, he keeps an eye on Grandpa. Grandpa starts messing up. Uh, what kind of lag do you got, Clutch? Trees in his trucker, what kind of lag do you got? Jeff has a 20-second lag. Okay, I got to watch what's going on. We're 3 minutes to the open. We just got to be calm and watch the signals. Trees in his trucker, happy. He's happy. Yeah, well, he made $620 yesterday. Should have made $900, but Grandpa talked him into selling early. Boy, Grandpa, he's always doing something wrong. Oh man, yeah, this is fun. We're still under a buy in the 1 minute, and we're showing signs of what's moving sideways in the 5 minute now here. But we still are under a sell in the 5 minute. And the 1 minute, I'm anticipating potentially going up, but I just don't know. I have nobody knows. That's why we look at these candles. Okay, Trees in his trucker's got a 15-second lag. Remember, you can come and go on Zoom and listen live if you want. It is up. I got the numbers on the screen here for you. And there we are. And the meeting code and all that garbage. Still under a buy in the 1 minute. She's inching up slowly. 224.80. Grandpa predicted we'd open at 224.50. And we've already gone down just minutes before, down to 224.24. So, boy, I'll tell you what, Grandpa got it right twice in a row. It's almost scary. I haven't seen DLA yet today. He's probably at the hospital delivering babies. Okay, 1 minute to the open. Oh boy, we're getting excited here. We're ringing a bell. You guys. Okay. That was it. Okay, we're off to the races. She is going straight up. We have a buy if you're going to do anything right now, it would be buy shares. Um, so far, it's early yet. We have a buy in the 1 minute, and so far in the 5, we're still under that sell, but she's I don't know what the world they're going to do here. She's weakening, still under a buy in the 1 minute. It's early yet here, guys. watch for your opportunity. Watch for your opportunity. New low at 223.85. Grandpa might try to buy some wicks here today, like always, down on the bottom side. I'm looking to go long if I don't miss the run here. Oh, wow, what happened? Too early to tell in that 1 minute. Still under a buy in the 1 minute. We do not have a buy yet in the 5 minute. The candle's not old enough. Still under a buy in the 1 minute. She is zooming. Looks like we're going to probably get a buy in that. Wish I would have bought. She's already up at 226.70. Grandpa's going to try grab some shares. 226.25. She's all over the place. We're under a buy in the 1 and the 5 minute. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. Tell you what, I'm gonna just sit it out here for a bit. I could be wrong. I just don't feel good about it yet. Might be just fine. We're going up. We're under a buy in the 1 and the 5 minute currently. Under a buy signal in the 1 and the 5. We've got a new high of 228. And she's just rocking and rolling, going straight up. Grandpa missed the run up. I pulled my shares. I pulled my orders. She happened quick, real quick. Truthfully, I should have jumped on that 1 minute switcheroo, but I did not. But that's okay. There's always another trade. I'd rather miss one than get it wrong. So at least we didn't scream go short and go straight up. So that's a good thing. Going straight up, 228.90, 228.90, 5, 229, 229 new high. Going straight up or under a buy in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. Hope some of you guys went long, unlike Grandpa. and we're off to the races. Yeah, I'm not quite sure where it opened, but I think it was real close to Grandpa's. Well, Grandpa called the open 224.50. We should have all been long at that point. Okay, Grandpa's looking for a reversal, and I'll go short. But we're going to wait for a good one today. 230.50 is what where if we can close above that, we're going up, up, up and away. That's where they're saying, is a turning point, and then you have 233. That's major. Oh, Trees in his trucker is long at 224.28. Ooh, baby. Good job. Good job. He snagged 25 shares at 224.28. Trees in his trucker. He's making us all look good. Oh man, where'd you get that advice from? From Grandpa, of course. He must have ended up getting the bottom. What is the low? I'm gonna look. 223.85. Yeah, he was close to the bottom. That's excellent. Boy, that's a good buy. Jeff is long at 227.75. Be ready to take your profits there, son, when the time comes. We're, Jeff, 229.85 is new high. She's going straight up. Everybody's in the green right now, I can tell you that. Everybody is in the green. Nothing but a buy signal in the 5 minute and the 1 minute. No signs of turning. 230.25. Watch for resistance at 230.50 area. If we blow through that, we're looking for 233. I expect resistance in the 230.50 to 233 area is going to be probably as strong a resistance as we're going to have. That followed by 237 area, 239. If we can get up there. 230.57. It blew through the 230.50 area just now. But we need to close above it to really be good and bullish. If we close above 230.50, you can be looking for 247 tomorrow. So no sign of a reversal whatsoever. We're long. We're a buy signal in the 1 and the 5 minute. Still a buy signal in the 1 and the 5 minute. Nobody's come to Zoom. Hey, let me know if you can read my little Zoom thing in the corner. I'm beginning to think I don't need Zoom. Nobody ever comes on it. I think they like hearing Grandpa with lag. That's what I think. Well, if you got a 10-second lag or 15-second, it's not the end of the world. Make sure if you go off your phone and come back in that you're slided over. Okay. Clutch Cargo says SpaceX's earlier spectacular spacewalk may be reflecting well on Tesla today. Absolutely. Now, that guy's a genius. He absolutely is. Still a buy in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. And we're under a golden cross in the 1 minute. We are under a golden cross in the 1 minute. And we're currently under a golden cross in the 5 minute also. We are big on, man, we got a new high of 230.72, 230.90. Grandpa, why didn't Grandpa buy some shares? I don't know. Grandpa just was born to go short, that's all. Yeah, Grandma's out with the little ones, and they're all out having fun today. Dustin, he got his Jersey milk cow home yesterday, $3,000 milk cow. And I wonder where DLA is. He's probably in the hospital with them babies. Anything is possible. They're going to have twins. 231.04 is the new high, and she's rocking and rolling. That's what it's doing. She's 231.10 is the new high, going straight up. She's going to try for a 233 the way it looks. Hey, DLA, good to hear you. Good to see you. Any news on those two little boys coming here, the twins? Everybody's under a buy signal in the 1 and the 5 minute. 231.40 is the new high. I'm expecting some resistance here. We blew through the resistance at 230.50 like it wasn't even there. If we close above 230.50, be looking for 247. I'd be more comfortable if we could close above 233. If we close above 233, we could see the 265 area in our near future here. Buy signal in the 1 and the 5 minute, nothing but. Okay, DLA was listening. He got long at 227. Good job. Good job, you guys. Everybody's long. Except Grandpa. Grandpa didn't do anything. But I will ring the bell for you guys. There it is. There we go. We're all long. We're having fun. We are oh, wait a second here. Grandpa's got to look at the clock. We're seconds away from getting a sell in the 1 minute. This might be your time to, we have a legit sell in the 1 minute if you want to get out of your longs. This might be it right now. We are under a sell. She's coming down. If you want to get out of your long positions, this is the time. The 5 minutes still a buy. It could reverse, but it's a legitimate sell. It's not a bear flag. It is not a bear flag. It is not a bear flag. We're under a sell in the 1 minute. However, we still have a buy in the 5. That's the way it goes. We are under a sell in the 1 minute. We are under a sell signal in the 1 minute. Grandpa's thinking about selling some shares. Possibly. I would buy the WICK if I could. We're under a sell in the 5 minute. Not the 5 minute, I'm sorry, the 1 minute. We are under a sell in the 1 minute. We have a high of 231.45. 231.45 is the high. You guys might want to take your profits. We're under a sell and she is coming down. 5 minute is still a buy. 5 minute is still a buy. Grandpa may never get any shares. I expect a war up here yet. But we are under a sell. I'm looking to short at 230.50, and that might be crazy. Still under a sell in 1 minute. She's coming down. You might want to take your profits. If you do, if you guys get out or whatnot, let me know. I got the Zoom thing up. If you guys want to listen live, you're welcome to come on Zoom. I think I'm going to remove it because nobody likes to use it. And anybody that's trading this thing, if they don't have good enough internet to have a fast lag, they probably shouldn't be trading anyway. Really, because you can't see the candles, you can't see nothing. Hey, we're going to get a golden cross here. We had a death cross earlier. That's what it was. And we went down to 223 something. And now looks like we might be getting a golden cross in the 1 minute again. Okay, still a sell in the 1 minute, but we're still under a buy in the 5 minute. I'm going to check the 15 minute quick. 15 minute is not, is it or isn't it? Is that a bear flag? No, we in the 15 minute we don't have a buy signal. It's a bull flag in the 15 minute. Check the 30 minute. 30 minute is not a buy signal either. But we do have a buy signal in this 5 minute. But she's looking weaker. The 1 minute is absolutely a sell. I hope you guys took profits. I hope you took your profits up there. And because she is coming down. We're down to 228.10 and dropping. Okay, we're in jeopardy of getting a sell signal in the 5 minute. This thing is coming down in a big way. Grandpa never got a share either direction. She is coming down. I hope you got out of your lungs. We're let's see, what time is it? It's too early. We're still in a buy in the 5 minute, but it's not looking pretty. We have to wait for the clock. By the time that clock comes, it could be right down here at the bottom. 227.25 and dropping. Twins are still coming by the 18th, DLA says. We are patiently waiting, my friend, and you are my friend. DLA's going to get Grandpa pancakes and sausage at the Waffle House in celebration of all this stuff happening. We don't have a Waffle House up here. You'll just have to bring the pancakes up here. You come up here, DLA, I'll make you pancakes myself, okay? We got some fairly good little restaurants up here, so they ain't cheap. Oh, man, stuff's expensive up here. You know, to go out and eat with Grandma just for hamburger, you know, and fries or whatever is $30 for 2 people. It's just crazy. We are coming down. Okay, do we have a sell in this 5 minute yet? Not yet. We don't. The clock. Speaking of the clock, I'm gonna put the clock up a little while so you can check your lag. You guys need to know how much your lag in here. We're borderline on getting a sell in the 5 minute. And but not yet. Too early. 1 minute is a sell. Big time. She's inching back up. Looks like we might get a bull flag. If you're short, don't panic yet. We're getting a green candle in we're getting a couple green candles in the 1 minute, but it's a bull flag. It is not a buy signal. We're under a sell signal in the 1 minute yet. I don't care if it goes up $10. It might be an opportunity to pick up some shorts. That's what it might be. Let's see what's going on. We're just about got a sell signal in the 5 minute. And we're getting a bull flag in the 1 minute. I'll show you that 1 minute just so you can understand kind of why Grandpa sees here. This red candle does not engulf into that one. But this indecision could possibly make it a buy signal. So I guess we are really technically in. I didn't notice it till I got it up close to me here on the screen. We are technically under a buy signal in the 1 minute now. So, but it looks like we're going to have a sell signal in the 5 minute. Not yet. We don't. We're still under a buy signal, everybody. This was a dip to get more shares. We are under a buy signal big time still. The 1 minute reversed and went straight up. It is not a bull flag. It is a legitimate buy signal. I got faked out just for a few seconds there. because of the indecision candle being green. And so it is a buy signal in the 1 and the 5 minute again. She's heading up. We're up to 230.60, 230.50. Patiently going up, up again. So that 1 minute threw me for a loop there for a second, for a few seconds. Keep in mind, Grandpa's not perfect. I am not perfect. And this candle reading is not the easiest thing in the world. Grandpa looks like like reading a book, and Grandpa can't read that great. Okay, so we're still under a buy in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. We're under a buy. We got a scare here, and what it was an opportunity to get some more shares going long. That's what it was. She's a buy again in the 1 minute and the 5 minute, and I believe it's probably a buy in the 15 minute. No, it's not. We're getting the 15 minute is indicating a bull flag. The 30 minute is indicating a bull flag. We don't have a buy signal in either the 15 or the 30. Do we have a buy signal in the hourly? No, we don't. We're under a sell signal currently in that hourly with a bull flag. So that's where we're at. We are going up though in the 5 minute and the 1 minute. Now, we have a high today at 231.45. We're inching up. If we don't break that 231.45, we could take a pretty good run down. So, tell you what, I'm almost tempted to jump on that bus. I anticipate if it's not, I think we're going to revisit real close to that high at 231.45, but it might stop us just a little shy of it. It's hard to tell what they're going to do. Still under a buy in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. She's trying to get up here. Is Grandpa crazy enough to short up here? I don't know yet. I just don't know yet. Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting some pictures of them little twins when they come eating pancakes at the Waffle House with Mom and Dad. That's what that DLA is a good husband, I'll tell you what. He loves his wife and his children. I guess he's got like 9 children now. Or is it? No, I'm sorry, 8. He does them in increments of 2. Okay, we have a sell signal in the 1 minute. We have a buy in the 5 and we have a sell in the 1 minute. That's what we got. Nobody wants to go on Zoom. I'm going to get rid of it. Okay. Murphy's outside barking at the neighbor lady. Selling the 1 minute. Selling the 1 minute. Buying the 5 minute. She's having a war up here. That's what she's doing. She's having a war up here. We're getting a bull flag in the 1 minute. It's not a buy signal. We have a buy signal in the 5 minute. My phone keeps beeping. Why, I don't know. Let's see. DLA, first two children. Oh, I'm sorry, DLA. I was thinking you might be one of my relatives. They all have 10. That's why I have 28 grandchildren and 3 great-grandchildren. Anyway, DLA is getting his first 2 children. He goes. So the way DLA does it, he just starts out right. Well, we have a golden cross in the 1 minute, I'll show you. And we're moving sideways in that 1 minute. We're moving sideways in everything. The war is on. Okay, so here we are. Here's your golden cross right here. So far, 226.70. And we got to go over this way, so 230.70. It's given us $3, and that could be it, or it could go $23. You just don't know. It's just fun to watch. But yeah, we're under a golden cross in the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute chart. And as you can see, we're moving straight sideways. We are under a sell signal in the 1 minute. We are under a sell signal in the 1 minute, but we're under a buy signal in the 5 minute. I think that means we're moving sideways, you guys. It's already 10 o'clock. You could about expect us to start moving sideways sometime. Grandpa's thinking about going short, but I think I did real well yesterday. I did real well the day before. Grandma's gone. I think I'm going to, you can trade every morning, make good money. That's the way it is. Grandpa can be a spectator once in a while. One thing you don't want to do is force the trade either. If you guys have made your good money today, DLA. He says you need to make some money for Christmas. Let's see, Christmas. I don't want to say bah humbug. We have fun at Christmas. I have so many grandchildren I can't afford to get them all a present. Grandma does. She does stuff. And nowadays, they got everything. The older ones do, And unless you can afford to buy them a car, they're not interested in anything. We like to give just... I like to give cash away because then they can buy whatever they want. And there's so many of them. If you give $1 to each one of them, you're broke. That's just the way it is. And when you give them their $1, they get mad at you because they wanted... I'm just teasing. They don't get mad. Okay, we are under a sell in the 1 minute currently, and we're still under a buy in the 5 minute. I better pay attention here. better pay attention here. We're in jeopardy of getting a reversal in the 5-minute. We are under a sell. We're coming down. This bus is starting to dip. She is coming down, coming down, coming down. Where will she go? I do not know. Okay, you guys, let Grandpa know if you got out of your longs, I hope. And because we're coming down. We got a sell in that 1 minute, and she's coming down in a big way. And we're going to have a sell in the 5-minute here any second, the way it looks. Very likely. Just letting you know. But I want to know if you're out or whatever. I'd like to end this thing today about 10:30 if possible. And my voice ain't real good, and I want to be alive tomorrow. I will do a live stream at approximately 6:30 Eastern Time again tonight and talk about the open and the range I expect it to run in today. And by golly, Grandpa called it out. Listen to my last live stream. My range was right on, pretty much. My resistance levels were right on, 231.45. So Jeff got out and only made $7. Well, hey, $7 is $7. But at least you made $7. Well, you made 45 on your other deal this morning, right? Is that in addition to it? I'd be pretty happy with the $7. That's a biblical number. Grandpa likes sevens. I love them. Be thankful for the little fishes. The Lord gave. Always remember, the Lord gave you that $7. That $7 is probably the most important $7 you'll ever make. When you get something from the Lord, you got to be thankful. Okay, so Jeff is up a total of $53. That's Grandma made 57 yesterday, and she couldn't be happier. She's trying to hug me. I was kind of scared. She's tried to hug Grandpa again, but now she's gone, so Grandpa feels safer. We're under a sell in the 1 minute. She is coming down 227.90, 228. Do we have a reversal yet? Not yet. We're close to a reversal in the 5 minute also. We're moving sideways here, guys. Don't force no trades. I'm telling you, if you aren't comfortable going short up here with this 1 minute, because 20 minutes from now we'll probably be straight. You know, Grandpa just don't know. All you can do is the signals. But she can stagnate the rest of the day. Let's see. Treasonous Trucker, what do you got rocking and rolling? Check your lag here. I'm putting up the clock so you can check your lag. I'm going to get rid of that Zoom. I'm going to get that thing right off my screen eventually. Once I get the tech guy over here, I'll have him take it off. There's nobody that watches it. And besides, I don't think I'm going to cost Grandpa money. 5 minute, let's see, are we a sell now? Yes, we are. We are selling the 5 minute. And we're selling the 1 minute. So we do have a reversal. And I'll show it to you. It's a weird one. This candle right here is engulfed into the one to the left. Then we got an indecision candle. Then we got a bull flag. And then we got our signal right here. And yes, we are under a sell in the 5 minute and the 1 minute. The 1 minute is showing signs of reversal. That's what's going on there. I'm losing my voice. I think Grandpa should save some voice for tomorrow. Potentially. Okay, we're in, I think we might, I'm going to show you the 1 minute. We might be getting a buy here in this 1 minute. Yes, we have a buy in the 1 minute. I'll tell you, if you trade this sideways stuff, you will go broke. Okay, that's why I don't want to run past. We had our opportunity. Grandpa blew it. Trees in his trucker got in down low. If he was quick enough to get out up here, he's golden because he got in at a low price, 224 area, and but this back and forth stuff that we're in right now in this range, 227.50 to 230.50. I guess it's you could pick up 50 cents here and there on that, but she's tightening up the way it looks to Grandpa. The sideways movement will just kill you with the buy and sell signals, even in the 1 minute. So be careful with that. I'll put the clock up so you can see what you got for lag if you want. We have a buy in the 1 minute, and we have a buy in the 1 minute. 5 minutes, still sell. Still a sell in the 5 minute, but she's looking like she might reverse up again. She's not done going up yet. How high will it go? She's going straight up. We're off to the races, going up again. Grandpa is rather err on the side of caution. We got tomorrow. Grandpa missed the boat today. Well, Grandpa, I'm glad I didn't go short up here. I think this thing might run on us. Okay, DLA is up 320 so far, waiting for another entry point. Good job, DLA. Excellent. Buy signal in 1 minute with a high of 231.45 today so far. She is going up. I would anticipate. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a W. We have a W in the 1 minute chart. I'm going to show it to you. This is a W. I'll make it a little smaller so you can see it better. Look here. Down, up, down, up. And I expect it to go. A W is a sign of supposedly strength. It's just a sign. So down, we have a W. That's bullish. That's all I can say about it is it's bullish. A W indicates bullish. A M indicates bearish. We had an M already. Up, down, up, down. There was your M right there. But we also have a W. Up, down, up, down, and she's still going up. So that's how it works. But sometimes, like that M could have kept right on going, or sometimes the W will just keep right on going, and that's more what I anticipate. But I don't know. It's only guessing. Let's see. I got to get on to 5 minutes, see what's happening. What time is that thing? I'm a baby candle. I'm a baby candle. Okay, so we got a couple of winners today, DLA and Jeff. We got winners for sure. And Grandpa's up. I'm up. I sold my shorts this morning, albeit I sold them too soon again. But I'm happy. It's just a steady gain. Hey, treasonous trucker, let Grandpa know if you're out of your position or what happened. He's probably loading and unloading his truck. I hope he took his profit, I can tell you that. Yeah, W is, here, I'll give you my take on it, and you guys can think whatever you want. I'm kind of like, we're moving straight sideways in this 5-minute chart, by the way. We have a buy signal in the 1 minute. Okay, here's my take on it. The supercomputer that we are playing against makes all the candle charts that anybody watches. They make all the signals. They make all the W's. They make all the M's. They make everything you've ever heard an chart expert talk about is made by the supercomputer you're playing against. All the trend lines, Grandpa puts in the trend lines, but they make the candles that make the trend lines, okay? And none of it, I don't believe, is made to help you. And that's why Grandpa doesn't feel as, I don't put much stock in Golden Cross or the Death Cross or any of it. And I don't clutter my screen up with all that garbage because what's important to Grandpa is the 1 minute and the 5 minute reverse engulfing Japanese candles. And if you have enough movement in the stock, you will make money consistently every single day. It gets to the point where it's, well, after a few years of doing it, you almost get bored making money every day. So once in a while, you just got to take a break. Okay, we're getting a reversal signal in the 1 minute. We're moving just absolutely sideways. I don't advise trading this, okay? Currently, looks like we're going to get a sell signal in the 1 minute very soon here. Very soon. Not yet. We're close. We're close. Oh, man. We're close to a sell signal in the 1 minute. We have a sell signal in the 1 minute. Unless it reverses in the last 10 seconds. But, yeah, we have a sell signal in the 1 minute. We're moving absolutely sideways in the 5. Okay, yeah, make sure if you're getting phone calls, make sure you slide your live stream up to the minute. And I just give it up for today, Jeff. I advise you just to wait till tomorrow. Do your business, you guys, and wait for tomorrow. Uh, okay, Jeff says he's long 50. At what price? Are you in, Jeff? Are you long somewhere? Because I'm gonna call this thing. My voice is leaving me. I'm planning on quitting here about 10 minutes. DLA, I'm planning on leaving you today in about 15 minutes. We're moving sideways. You cannot slide it far enough. I don't have a clue what he's talking about. That's Jeff. And then he says yes. Okay, DLA put a short in at 230.50. Okay. That's up in the WICK. That's if Grandpa wanted to play, you couldn't ask for more. I can tell you that. I got it right on DLA short at 230.50. You have to reload YouTube to get current. Okay. Well, we have Zoom, but I'm only going to stay on here about 8-10 minutes, and I'm out of here. We're moving sideways. I don't. You can't make money going sideways. Okay. I think if you're not stuck in a position, you should wait for tomorrow. That's Grandpa's opinion. We had a few guys make money. I have no idea what happened to Grandpa made a little, Jeff made a little, DLA made the most, like usual. Up 320. Yeah, he's had some good days, that guy. Well, he needs a lot of money to buy diapers. He's got the twins coming on the 18th. We're under a cell signal in the 1 minute. And we're absolutely just moving sideways in the 5 minute. 100%. We have a bull flag in the 15 and the 30 minute and the hourly. That tells Grandpa she's going. Okay, Jeff is out. He made $1. Hey, that means you're really up. You add that to your other winnings. He made $1.50. Now, when you say you made $1.50, is that your total for today? Trees in his trucker. What's the 5.15 and the 30? I don't know what you're talking about. I have no idea. I don't know what 5.15 and 30 is. What trees in his trucker? What do you mean by the 5.15? Oh, the 5 minute chart, the 15-minute chart, the 30-minute chart, time frames. We have time frames. We have a 1 minute. Here, I'll show you a 1 minute. Okay, here's a 1 minute chart. It's a sell signal. Okay, I'll show you a 5 minute chart. Here's a 5 minute chart. It's moving sideways. It's doing nothing. Here's a 15-minute chart. It's a bull flag. Here's a 30-minute chart. It's a bull flag. It's not a buy signal. Uh-oh. I think we lost OBS. I think I'm dead. I think I went dead. Okay, so we're going to shut this bus down. If you can still hear me, we're going to call it a day. I lost OBS. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Something happened. I think I might still be streaming. However, I'm not sure. My whole system shut down for a little bit. I'm going to stop this stream right now. And so I'll be back hopefully at 6:30, and we'll do the open in the ranges. If you can hear me, I have no idea. I've got technical issues with the OBS. So we will see. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh, hey, think about eternity. Grandpa does. Good luck, DLA, with that short. And we'll talk to you later.